Hi, my name is Thomas Walter, and I'm going to tell you a little bit of what I know about the game design program at Full Sail University.
What brought you to your initial decision of going into the degree of you chose?
What brought me to my initial decision of going into the degree I chose is that growing up, I always wanted to make games and have always enjoyed playing them. It was not until 11 years out of high school and getting married that I realized that I really should go for it and do something I can be proud of.
Who is the program director for your degree program at Full Sail?
The course director for my degree program at Full Sail is Jameson Doral.
What type of software and or programming language do you will you be using in your degree?
The type of or programming languages I will be using in my degree are spreadsheets to help record, store, and move data around. I'll also be using coding syntax for different algorithms and etc.
From your research, what degree skills do you think you would like to focus on and why?
The degree skills that I would like to focus on is the game mechanics because I have always liked the way the games came together as a whole. I have also always wanted to learn how to do game mechanics.
What do you think would be the hardest classes that you would run into? Why do you think they would be difficult for you?
The class I think that would be the hardest for me to run into would be the fundamentals of physical science. The reason I think it would be difficult for me is because I was never that good with science concepts of any kind.
What do you think would be the easiest classes that you would run into? Why?
The class I think would be the easiest for me to run into would be historical archetypes and mythology. The reason I think it would be easiest for me to do is because me and my wife love to learn history, and my wife knows a lot about mythology.
How would you go about succeeding in those hard classes? What can you do now to help prepare for them?
How I would go about succeeding in the hard classes would be to stay determined and to not overthink the problem so I can get the solution the right way. What I can do now to prepare for it is to look up the definition of some of the words and start looking at them so I can familiarize myself with them.
How would you break down your time to make sure you succeed in your classes?
How I would break down my time to make sure I succeed in my classes by studying hard and focus more on school. What I would be doing is I will be getting on my classes every day and staying on top of them and try to get more done ahead of time if possible. This interview was done by my wife.